Baby Mila prepares for a bike adventure. Mila rides through colorful, vibrant waving flowers. She discovers a sparkling waterfall with playful fish. Mila finds funny fruits shaped like stars and hearts. Ducks and swans paddle by a crystal clear lake. A squirrel juggling acorns gives Mila a keepsake. Mila crosses a glowing rainbow bridge feeling heroic. A star-shaped fruit energizes Mila for her journey. Mila rides home, cape billowing under a colorful sunset. Mila joyfully shares her magical adventure with friends.